जैसे कि आपको पता है कि आज काउंसिल ऑफ पाकिस्तान में जो है वर्ल्ड फेस्टिवल का आगाज़ हो चुका है। पूरी दुनिया से मेहमान फ़नकार इस वक्त कराची में मौजूद हैं और ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि हमारे बरादर इस्लामी मुल्क से कोई आए और हम उनको यहाँ ना बुलाएं। एक ऐसी आज हमारे साथ फ़नकारा मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने फ़ैशन, आर्ट और सकाफ़त को एक साथ जोड़ दिया है। और ये जो मुल्क है बांग्लादेश, हमारा दोस्त बरादर इस्लामी मुल्क, वहाँ से आई हैं निहारिका मुमताज़, जो कि एक मशहूर फ़ैशन डिज़ाइनर हैं, आर्टिस्ट हैं। और मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात लगी ये, उन्होंने ज्वेलरी में और आर्ट में बैनुल-अक़वामी सतह पर नाम कमाया। एक चीज़ व्हेन आई वाज़ गोइंग थ्रू द प्रोफाइल, तो हमारे यहाँ इन आर कल्चर एक लफ्ज़ कहा जाता है गमछा। गमछा जो है वो हम एक रुमाल को कहते हैं, जो कि अक्सर लोग जो है वो अपने कांधे पे डाल के दिन भर अगर काम कर रहे तो उसको पसीना पोंछ के उस पीस को भी अगर कोई आर्ट पीस बना दे तो क्या ही ज़बरदस्त बात है। तो इन्होंने इन आर्ट पीसेस से शुरू किया। नाउ शी हैव एंटर्ड इनटू द एनएफटी वर्ल्ड एज वेल। तो क्या कुछ है इनके पास टू एग्जिबिट दिस टाइम अराउंड इन दिस आर्ट्स काउंसिल ऑफ पाकिस्तान के मेगा फेस्टिवल में? गोइंग स्ट्रेट टू निहारिका, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड गुड मॉर्निंग।
Walaikum
Thank you so
salam.
much
Good
for
morning.
coming, Niharika.
Thank you for inviting me.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. As we say in Urdu, खुशामदीद, and then we say कैसी हैं आप? So we say in Bangla, केमन आछे? खूब बालो, बालो आछे, बालो आछे. Okay, so Niharika, this is not your first time in Pakistan, right?
No, it's third time, but I came 20 years back.
You came here 20 years back, 2005, 2004,
2006.
2006.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you feel any difference from that era and now, or is it the same?
I can't remember much, but certain places, because I was staying the same hotel. That's I haven't seen any change there.
Okay. Niharika, talking about your work, I just mentioned one of the things,
Yeah.
the gamcha thing. See, I can relate to that because we in our culture, we take it as a handkerchief, a big handkerchief, and then
It's a it's kind of a towel.
towel or
Yeah,
handkerchief.
yeah.
What have you done with that? Please tell me.
So during COVID, we from Bangladesh Art Week, I curated a project to support artisans and artists. So we have chosen two cities, Chittagong and Shirajganj, to work with the artisans. So some artists work with artisans in Chittagong and also in Shirajganj.
Rajwan.
So I have done in Chittagong with bamboo artisans.
Wow.
So I made some sculptures with bamboo, like life-size peanuts and waves and all this, who were like 35 to 40 years experience craft, artisans. And in Sirajganj, because the gamcha is made there, made by Sirajganj artisans. And so because I work in handloom industry, so I preferred gamcha for two things. One is it's heritage textile and it's handloom. So when I involved with those artisans, I thought I should incorporate something new as a designer. So they never had any motif till then. So I introduced motif in gamcha.
Oh, wow.
Because it's always only checks, right?
Yes. The boring checks.
No, not boring. It's very colorful.
Okay.
Then, it took me 6 months to convince them that it can be done. And finally we did it, and that's how it started.
You created a new thing.
Yeah, so it's part of history actually.
See, you have gone to the lengths and breadths of the world. You have performed in so many countries, right from the Gulf to the other nations as well. When it comes to Pakistan, how vibrant is the culture over here? How vibrant is our art industry?
Culturally very vibrant. I didn't expect this event like
Okay.
I mean, this because I haven't seen previous thing, but it's in art, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India is always very culturally enriched. That's no doubt. But overall, I'm very, very happy to be part of this event. And I want to give a special thanks to Ahmed Shah Sahab and the Art Council of Pakistan and the government of Sindh for inviting us and for involving us.
Yeah, I know the love of Bangladeshi people for their seafood, but Karachi is again a city by sea. We have got our fishes. Did you try any? And did you find any taste bud difference in Dhaka and Karachi?
No, not much because last night I went to have some street food,
Okay.
like bun kebab and
yeah.
the papri chaat. So it's papri chaat is more like our chotpati, and bun kebab is something new. I mean, not in Bangladesh we have, but it's very, very tasty.
Okay. So you had the taste of bun kebab. I hope you taste the biryani, the local biryani as well.
Yeah.
And I hope this goes very well for you. Just last few comments. How much Urdu are you familiar with?
So we watch a lot of Pakistani drama.
Yeah.
So I understand, but I can't speak much.
Okay. So थोड़ा
I can do, yeah.
थोड़ा समझ आता है.
नहीं समझ
सब कुछ आता है. It's
but I cannot speak much. I mean थोड़ा I can.
Okay. So निहारिका हमारे साथ मौजूद थी और उनका ये कहना है कि पाकिस्तान का जो कल्चर है, पाकिस्तान की जो आर्ट इंडस्ट्री है बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट है. उन्होंने साथ ही शुक्रिया भी अदा किया अहमद शाह साहब का, एंड शी इज़ बीन हेयर फॉर द थर्ड टाइम, एंड वी विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द फेस्टिवल एंड वी होप एंड प्रे दैट यू कीप ऑन कमिंग.
यस,
बहुत शुक्रिया,
थैंक यू,
धन्यवाद. Thank you so much for coming. So, Janab, this was Niharika from Bangladesh, and we'll be inviting more guests in our show.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.